After discussing regarding integration management, we will discuss another knowledge area that is part of the three primary constraints of project management: project scope management. Project scope management includes the processes required to ensure that the project includes all the work required, and only the work required, to complete the project successfully. Managing the project scope is primarily concerned with defining and controlling what is and is not included in the project. Project scope management is a process that helps in determining and documenting the list of all the project goals, tasks, deliverables, deadlines, and budgets as a part of the planning process. In project management, it is common for a big project to have modifications along the way. With the scope and the project management defined right in the beginning, it becomes much easier for project teams to manage and make the required changes. There are 6 processes in scope management knowledge area, 4 during planning stage and 2 during monitoring and controlling stage. Therefore, scope management knowledge area will only get involved after initiating stage and starts at planning stage. During executing stage, there is no needed process but will validate and control the scope during monitoring and controlling stage. These are the 6 processes of scope management. 4 processes during planning stages. Plan scope management, the process of creating a scope management plan that documents how the project and product scope will be defined, validated, and controlled. Collect requirements, the process of determining, documenting, and managing stakeholder needs and requirements to meet project objectives. Define scope, the process of developing a detailed description of the project and product. Create WBS, the process of subdividing project deliverables and project work into smaller, more manageable. For 2 processes during monitoring and controlling, we have validate scope, the process of formalizing acceptance of the completed project deliverables. Control scope, the process of monitoring the status of the project and product scope and managing changes to the scope baseline. We will discuss these each processes in details in our next videos.